Hi and welcome back to a new video, and today I will show you how to use Rank Math plugin. It's really easy, super amazing, and I will show you everything with ChatGPT because we will not write anything basically. Yeah, we're too lazy to do this. Alright, so today I will write a blog with you guys, and I will show you how I do everything with Rank Math. So first of all, as you can see, when you open, okay, let's just close this. So when you open the blog, you will just see this. To see the settings of Rank Math, just come here and click this. All right, what do we have here? In the general part of it, we have this edit snippet. So here we have the title that will be shown in Google. So let's just write anything. How to create a subdomain. Okay, in Hostinger. As you can see, this or let's go here. This one is this. All right. This permalink is this. Okay, what is written here? As you can see here, they wrote the same thing because they want to rank with the same keyword. And there is the description. However, to write all of these things, you need to have first of all the focus keyword, and this keyword is the keyword that you should put in every single thing. So let's say that our blog will be okay about how to create or let's say delete subdomain in Hostinger. So we will do this, come here. Okay, I want subdomain. All right, so this will be our focus keyword, and as you can see here, till now it's red, just 4% usage of this keyword, even we didn't use it. So basically we will tell ChatGPT to write us a blog with the focus keyword delete subdomain in Hostinger, and give us a title, a permalink, and a description with this keyword. Okay, let's just go back to ChatGPT. So can you write a blog with the keyword and give me a title, link, or URL? I always write this, description with the keyword, and it will give you every single thing, as you can see here. So this is our title, so you will just paste it. Okay, let's close this. You will come here, then paste it here. Of course, it's better, according to Rank Math, to write the title should be less than or 60 as a maximum, because as you can see here, it's not showing every single thing. So yeah, just try to make it shorter. I don't know, like we can write best guide. Okay, perfect. And as you can see, this is the URL, oops, with our focus keyword. Just write this, by the way, you don't need to write the full URL. And the meta description, as you can see, it's also added here. And okay, again, it should be less than this. So yeah, sometimes they do not read every single thing, so just try to, oh, I think there's something weird in this, but yeah, my internet sometimes goes crazy, but it's less, so it's perfect. Okay, guys, I don't know, but well, okay. It was more. I'm so sorry. Okay, this is good. So yeah, it will not be shown all of it. So yeah, let's say like that. It will be better. And as you can see here, we still did only 50 or got 50 points, and that's it because the focus keyword still not in the beginning of our content. So it's better also when you write this prompt, tell him that please, the focus keyword, I want it in the beginning of the content, but also we still don't have a content. So what we're going to do is, okay, we will just come here and copy paste it anyways. And up. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, I will not just I'm not going to write a real uh blog with you, but just some simple thingies. Okay, so as you can see here, I didn't copy everything. It's okay. So again, it's still not in the beginning. So just write anything like, I don't know, let's get anything else, like started with it. Okay, let's just get this because there is the keyword. See? Done. And they said like it's better having a blog with at least 600 words. So try to write more. We can just yeah, let's just copy paste anything else here. It's the same thing. But of course, it's better telling hey, okay. Let me just copy it from here. So it's better telling all of this to the prompt to ChatGPT, but also I will give, if you want it, I will give you a prompt, which is a very good prompt that you can use in ChatGPT. Just tell me. Oh, I remember that I did a video of it, so yeah, I will just put the video inside this video too, so you can check it and use it, because it's better than just writing like this, and it covers everything, and it's so good. All right, let's go to the title. So in the title, we need to have the focus keyword, but also a positive or a negative sentiment. Like for example, or also you should have a power word. Like here in, for example, in our title, we wrote best. This is an amazing word. In just always use it in your titles. But also you need to use a number, because people, by the way, I don't like using this is better, because people will always write like this, because people want some new blogs. But also, like if you are talking about I don't know, plugins, for example, so, and you will tell them about 10 plugins, 10 best plugins for SEO, for example, write 10 best plugins of SEO or whatever. Okay, just use also a number. As you can see here, you are using a number in your title. Okay, what else? Let's go to the additionals. As you can see here, it is better adding an image, and also add the focus keyword in the alt text. So how to do this? Okay, let's just put it anywhere. Come to here, add image. Let's just get any image. And then you need to put the keyword in the alt of the image. How to do this? Just click here and then click here, and the alternative text is here, and then just let's search for it and just write your focus keyword in it, and that's it. And let's go back, let's check. As you can see here in the additionals, we already added this. Okay, but also here the keyword density should be like a maximum. It's better being 1, it's so good, but less than, for example here it's good, but still not that good. So the more you have, the more it's better. However, don't exaggerate. So if it is 2, this will be like this 2, or it will be, I remember the color will be yellow because it's too much. So Google will say, oh, it is abusing the system. Okay, all right. And the best thing is also, please use external links and internal links from your content. Like for example, for me, okay, here is the external link, but also you can add something else. So for an internal link, you will just go to your website and get any internal link for yourself. Or I think there is something internal. No, okay, let's say blog, and I can't, no, not this one, but I remember that there is something that you can put, and you can put like the list of the things you have in your websites. Let's just check it together. um yeah, you can just, for example, put the list of I don't know, the internal, like the categories of your things, but no, it didn't work. So I think it needs to be, okay, let's say posts. Normally this should work because we are already putting some internal things. It will work, by the way. I don't know why, again, maybe it's my internet again, but yes, it is working. I always do this. Or you can do it manually, so just write or put your other blogs, and that's it. For this, it's always will be like this, because you need to get the premium version, so don't care about it. So having a 90 or 80 will be so good. Less than this, it's less good. So for me, I didn't get 80 because of the internal links. I don't know why it didn't work for now, but yes, just put any internal link and it will work, and you will get 80. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for the video. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you, and bye bye.